Alright, so just been for a 20-minute drive. Quite good, but the brakes need sorting, they're not good enough. I reckon the front calipers are not working. The steering does sway side to side a bit. I managed to get the dynamo working. It was just a plastic screw stopping the connection, so the dynamo's all working. And but all of this is all working now, and I put this tin in. Not brilliant, but it's alright. And the rubber sealing, I put the rubber sealing as well. So see how nice it sounds? Sounds lovely. And the other good thing is this works. See if I can get the camera on it. Oh, I can't get in there. But there you are. The good thing works. So yeah, it's all good. So that's good. I'm happy with that. Pretty good day. First decent drive.